Hey there, food fans! Welcome to another exciting journey into the world of food processing. Today, we're diving into the fascinating and intricate world of pear processing. You might think it's just about picking pears and putting them in a can, but there's so much more to it. It's more exciting than you might think. From the moment the pears arrive at the factory, a meticulous process begins to ensure that each pear is handled with care and precision. This ain't your grandma's kitchen table operation, folks. We're talking large-scale production with state-of-the-art machinery and a dedicated workforce. Processing pears is vital to how we get this delicious fruit in so many forms. Think about it: pear sauce, pear slices, dried pears, and even pear puree for baby food. Canned pears, pear juice, the list goes on. Factories make that happen. Each product requires a unique process to ensure the best quality and taste. They take the raw fruit and transform it into shelf-stable goodness. This transformation involves washing, peeling, slicing, and sometimes cooking the pears to perfection. This industry isn't just about convenience. It's about ensuring that we have access to nutritious and delicious pear products all year round, regardless of the season. It's about reducing food waste. Unsellable pears are often repurposed into other products, ensuring that nothing goes to waste and contributing to a more sustainable food system. And it's about providing jobs. The pear processing industry supports thousands of jobs, from the farmers who grow the pears to the factory workers who process them. So, let's peel back the skin, so to speak, on industrial pear processing. We'll explore each step of the journey, from the orchard to your pantry, and see how this industry staple makes its way to your table. It all starts in the orchard, where farmers carefully tend to the pear trees, ensuring they grow healthy and produce the best fruit possible. Harvesting is a crucial step, as the timing has to be just right to ensure the pears are at their peak ripeness. Once harvested, the pears are transported to the processing facility. Here they are unloaded and sorted. Only the best pears make it through to the next stage. The pears are then thoroughly washed to remove any dirt or residues. Quality control is paramount, and each pear is inspected to ensure it meets the high standards required for processing. Next, the pears are peeled and sliced by specialized machines. This step is crucial for products like canned pears and pear slices, where the appearance and texture of the fruit are important. For products like pear sauce and pear puree, the fruit is cooked to achieve the desired consistency and flavor. The final products are then canned or packaged, ready to be shipped to stores and eventually, your home. Packaging is another critical step. It ensures that the pear products remain fresh and safe to eat. Workers carefully package the products, which are then boxed and prepared for shipping. Finally, the packaged pear products are shipped to stores across the country. The next time you see a can of pears or a bottle of pear juice on the shelf, you'll know the incredible journey it took to get there. So, whether you're enjoying a refreshing glass of pear juice or a delicious slice of canned pear, remember the hard work and dedication that went into bringing that product to your table. Cheers to the pear processing industry. Our journey begins with a truckload of pears arriving at the factory. These pears have traveled from orchards far and wide, and now they are here, ready to be transformed into high-quality products. But their journey is far from over. But hold on, we don't just blindly accept them. Each pear must pass a rigorous inspection process. Our dedicated team of quality control workers is on the front lines, ensuring that only the best pears make it through. First, we gotta check the quality. Technicians inspect each batch meticulously. They examine every pear that comes through, looking for any signs that it might not meet our high standards. They're looking for bruises, blemishes, and signs of spoilage. Even the smallest imperfection can affect the quality of the final product, so nothing escapes their watchful eyes. Size and ripeness matter too. Each pear is measured and assessed to ensure it is at the perfect stage of ripeness. This is crucial because the ripeness of the fruit can significantly impact the taste and texture of the final product. We sort those pears carefully. The sorting process is precise and methodical, ensuring that each pear is categorized correctly. This helps in maintaining consistency in the quality of our products. Only the best make the cut for processing. Why be so picky? Because we believe that our customers deserve nothing but the best. Each pear that makes it through this rigorous process is a testament to our commitment to quality, because quality control starts at the source. From the moment the pears arrive at our factory, we are dedicated to ensuring that every step of the process meets our high standards. Bad pears can ruin an entire batch. That's why we are so diligent in our inspections. One bad pear can affect the taste, texture, and overall quality of the entire batch, so we take no chances. Plus, we want to provide the best product possible. Our goal is to deliver a product that not only meets but exceeds our customers' expectations. By starting with the highest quality pears, we ensure that the final product is something we can all be proud of. Next up, bath time for the pears. We're not talking about bubble baths here. This is serious cleaning. Specialized equipment uses gentle brushes and washes. This removes dirt, debris, and any lingering pesticides. Food safety is paramount. Clean pears mean a safer product. We use food-grade sanitizers in the wash cycle. This eliminates bacteria and reduces the risk of contamination. Remember, we're all about providing safe, delicious pears to everyone. Time to get those pears ready for their close-up. Peeling and coring happen in rapid succession. Automated machines do the heavy lifting here. These aren't your average kitchen tools. Industrial-grade peelers remove the skin with precision. Coring machines remove the core in a flash. This ensures uniformity and minimizes waste. Section 5, Slice and Dice, Precision Cutting for Pears. Now let's talk about cutting. Do we want slices, halves, or diced pears? It depends on the final product. Different machines handle each cut. For uniform slices, we use a multi-blade cutter. This creates consistent pieces, perfect for canning. Dicing machines produce uniform cubes for baking or other uses. It's all about having the right tool for the job. Section 6, Blanching Basics, Time and Temperature. Blanching sounds fancy, right? It's a simple but crucial step. We briefly submerge the pears in boiling water. Then, we give them an ice bath to stop the cooking process. Why bother with blanching? It helps preserve the pear's color, flavor, and texture. Plus, it deactivates enzymes that can cause spoilage. Blanching times and temperatures vary depending on the pear variety and the desired outcome. Section 7, Chill Out, Cooling Down Post-Blanch. After their hot bath, those pears need to chill out, literally. Rapid cooling is essential. We use cold water baths or forced air cooling systems. This rapid cool down halts the cooking process. It also helps maintain the pear's quality and prevents overcooking. Nobody wants mushy pears, right? Section 8, Pack it up. From packaging to labeling. Our pears are processed and ready to go, but first we need to get them packaged and labeled for sale. This step is crucial for preserving freshness and extending shelf life. Packaging types vary. Think cans, jars, or even aseptic packaging. Each method has its own advantages for preserving flavor and texture. And don't forget the labels. They contain important information about the product, ingredients, and nutritional content. Section 9, Distribution and Beyond. Getting pears to the people. This is where all the hard work in the orchards and the meticulous processing in the factory culminates. It's the final leg of our journey, but it's just as crucial as every other step. The final step in our pear processing adventure is distribution. This is where we ensure that the fruits of our labor reach the consumers in the best possible condition. The journey from the factory to the consumer's table is a complex and well-coordinated process. Refrigerated trucks transport the packaged pears to warehouses and then on to supermarkets, restaurants, and other food retailers. These trucks are specially designed to maintain the perfect temperature, ensuring that the pears remain fresh and delicious throughout their journey. Proper handling during transportation is key. Workers meticulously secure the pallets to prevent any damage during transit. The truck drivers also play a crucial role, regularly checking the cargo to ensure everything is in order. It ensures the pears arrive in optimal condition. Quality control doesn't stop at the factory, it continues all the way to the final destination. Every pear is inspected to make sure it meets our high standards. Temperature control helps maintain quality and freshness. The refrigeration units in the trucks and the temperature-controlled warehouses are essential in preserving the pear's taste and texture. This technology allows us to deliver pears that are as fresh as the day they were picked. And there you have it, folks. The journey of a pear from the orchard to your table is a testament to the dedication and hard work of everyone involved. It's a process that combines traditional farming techniques with modern technology to bring you the best quality pears. From the orchard to your table, that's how pears are processed on an industrial scale. Next time you enjoy a juicy pear, remember the journey it took to get to you. It's a story of passion, precision, and a commitment to quality that ensures you get the best fruit possible.